everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will study words with silent K. Rule for silent K is letter K is not pronounced when it is followed by letter N. Example no and no. So let's start today's video. Read along with me all the words. K N A C K knack. K N I F E knife. K N E A D need. K N E E knee. K N E E L kneel. K N E L L knell. K N E W new. K N I G H T knife. K N I T knit. K N O B knob. K N O C K knock. K N O T knot. K N O W no. K N O W L E D G E knowledge. K N I C K E R S knickers. K N U C K L E knuckle. K N I T T I N G knitting. K N O W N known.